Okay, so we're told we have two negative numbers. I'm going to call them A and B, and they multiply to give 160. And we're told that A is, or the smaller number, I'm going to call that one A, and the larger number is going to be B. I'm told that A is 4 less than twice what B is. And that's what this formula here represents. Twice B minus 4 will give you A. Okay, now let's see if we can solve this formula. We have two formulas, so we can use substitution here. And if I reorganize, since I'm trying to solve for B, it's going to be, so what we're going to get here is probably a positive answer, and we need to consider what the positive and negative versions of these are. So I'll walk through that. So we get A times B is 160, which means A is 160 over B. And if we plug that in over here, we'll get 160 over B is equal to 2B minus 4. And if we multiply, we get 160 equals 2B minus 4 times B. So that's 2B squared minus 4B. And we can divide both sides by 2, and we get 80 equals B squared minus 2. And then reorganize, we get 0 equals B squared minus, 2B minus 2B minus 80. And now we're looking for numbers that multiply to give 80 that are different by 2. So we have 8 and 10 give us that combination. And we know that 8 and 10 are numbers that could give us values of 80, but one's positive, one's negative. Because we have a negative sign here, that means the 10 is the negative one and the 8 is the positive one. They added up to -2, but they multiplied to -80, meaning we have B plus 8 times B minus 10, meaning B could either be -8 or positive 10. Well, if B is -8, then when we plug that into this formula, we're going to get -16 minus 4 gives us -20. So we plug -8 in here, we get 2 times -8 is -16 minus 4. This equals -20. So the value for A would be -20, and the value for B would be -8. And these do multiply to give us 160 here. So this gives us our possible set. So that means the answer to this question is answer choice D. -8 is the answer for the greater of the two values, which is the B in our situation here.